My name is Joesph and I am the indoor-outdoor guy. I'd just like to show you a renovation that my design-build team has completed. All of our renovations are broken into two stages, the design stage and the build stage. For the design stage, our designer met with the clients a total of 3 times to choose all the fixtures and finishes, including the appliances, the cabinets, the countertops, and of course the kitchen sink. For the build portion of this project, the entire kitchen area was stripped down to the studs, the drywall was removed, new electrical was added for the kitchen and updated for the various appliances, plugs and lighting required in the new kitchen. After the electrical was finished, walls were re-insulated and drywall was reinstalled. The painters came in and did a coat of paint before all the cabinets went in. After the cabinets were installed, then we came along and installed the countertops and the tile backsplashes and the accent tile that you can see right here. After that was completed, the plumber came in and installed the sink, the faucets, and hooked up the dishwasher. Thanks for looking at one of our renovations.